So you decided you want to become a content creator, but you're not really sure what editing software you want to use. Well, I'm going to break it down depending on how big your follower count is and what I think the best editing software is for you. Let's start from the 0 to 1,000 follower range. If you're below 1,000 followers on your choice of platform, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I would say you need to stick to some free options. There's no need to start spending money until money starts coming back at you when we do social media. Most social media apps have editing software built into them. They're pretty bare bones, but if all you're doing is turning the camera on yourself and recording and telling a story or two, it could work great and you don't really need to bring it outside of that chosen app. However, if you want to post on every social platform like I do, you don't want to limit yourself to only editing in TikTok or Instagram. So the app I would choose for this level would be CapCut. It's free, it has a bunch of free video editing templates, and it has captions automatically built into the software. So you don't have to buy an external program like you do with Premiere. I've recommended this software to so many people over the years, and everyone came back and said this was extremely easy to use and it was exactly what they need. If you're just starting to post content online, give CapCut a try. It has a bunch of free templates, auto caption, and it's a completely easy to use, and best of all, it's completely free. If you're a little above that threshold, maybe from 1,000 to 10,000 followers, you might be looking to get yourself something a little more professional. For this bracket, I would probably recommend DaVinci Resolve because not only is it free, DaVinci Resolve is just as good as any other paid option, but the best part about DaVinci is not only that it's free, but it has all the tools that you would want in a professional video editing software. It has a free version and a paid version, but the free version is a lot more generous than what other free video editing platforms have. It's an all-in-one workspace. It has amazing color grading, amazing audio editing, and amazing video editing. There's not much more you can ask for in a free program. And if you want the extra features, you can pay the fee to get them, but it is not at all necessary to get the full experience from DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is a great platform that I would definitely recommend using if you're looking to step up your videos to the next level. What if you're even above that threshold, 10,000 plus followers, and you really want to bring your videos to the next level? Well, then I would recommend none other than the Adobe Suite. The Adobe Suite itself not only has an amazing video editing software that I am using to edit this video right now, and I've been using for the last 10 years, but the benefit of going with Adobe over the other two options is they have a bunch of other apps that integrate into Premiere just as well. You have the entire Adobe Suite like Photoshop and After Effects that can seamlessly integrate into Premiere. Whenever I recommend apps for professionals to use, I always go with the Adobe Suite. Their apps just seamlessly integrate into each other too well to pass up. It's a little bit more on the pricey end, but I really do think that price tag is worth it because not only do you just get Premiere, you get every single other app in the Adobe Suite like Photoshop, After Effects. They all work together seamlessly, and there's really not a better option on the market. So if you have the cash and you're really looking to scale up your content to the next level, you should really start looking at Adobe Suite because they really can help your content reach that level. And those are the video editing apps that I would recommend you using based on where you are in your social media journey. If you have any questions, make sure you comment in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get to every one of them. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.